Now we are on part 19 of our digital marketing journey, and let's continue talking about digital marketing for today's video. We shall now delve back into the captivating world of Google Ads and explore the intricate realm of display advertising. While it operates on a different network, it still remains on the same platform as its search network counterpart, allowing for the utilization of similar tools to enhance your ad campaigns. The beauty of the display network lies in its ability to present ads to a wider audience through the use of visually striking banners, images, and videos that capture the attention of your potential customers. And fear not, for all the familiar tools that you've grown accustomed to on the search network are readily available on the display network within Google Ads itself. So without further ado, let us discover the exciting possibilities that await us in the world of display advertising. To gain insight into the performance of a campaign and its ad group on the display network, a mere click of a button shall suffice. Such an action will reveal the specific ads that are currently active for that particular ad group on the display network. This is where the beauty of the display network truly shines, for it allows for the use of visually compelling image ads, unlike the search network which only permits the use of text ads. Through this method, one can evaluate the performance of their image ads and gauge their effectiveness. It is truly remarkable how advanced technology has become in the realm of display advertising. A step beyond the previous method we discussed is the use of responsive display ads, which are specially designed by Google to automatically adapt to the most effective format based on their performance. This allows for a dynamic and constantly evolving ad campaign that maximizes its effectiveness. And the cherry on top of this technological marvel is that one can easily monitor the performance of their ads, including clicks, impressions, and click-through rates, all within the Ads and Extensions report on the Google Ads platform. By clicking on the Audiences tab, we can reveal the specific groups of people we are targeting with our campaign. As we examine the report generated, it becomes clear that retargeting campaigns are designed to hone in on a particular audience. It is essential to assess which audience group is yielding the most effective results. Fortunately, within the report, we can see a detailed breakdown of the different audiences we have targeted and their respective performances. With such insights, we can optimize our campaign to maximize its effectiveness and reach our desired audience with greater precision. Once more, I am able to view identical performance indicators that were available on the search section, such as clicks, impressions, and click-through rate. However, what is crucial for me is to track the number of conversions. This is the fundamental reason for paying for ads on these platforms, to measure against conversions. Additionally, I can evaluate the cost per conversion and conversion rate. These metrics are vital to gauge the effectiveness of campaigns regardless of the audience, keyword, or ad dimension. On the display network, we can also gather demographic information, unlike the search network. Hence, I can analyze the age distribution provided by Google and identify which age group generates the highest number of clicks, impressions, and conversions. On the display network, you can further optimize your campaign by selecting keywords, topics, and placements. By clicking on where ads have shown, I can view the specific locations where my ads have been displayed in this particular campaign. Google Ads also enables the option to exclude certain locations from the ad group if necessary. You can exclude a particular placement from your campaign, and the platform provides the option to take action on it. The placement report provides detailed information about the type of placement, such as whether it's a mobile app or a website, and the exact location of the placement. Along with demographics and audience reports, the platform also provides insights on keywords and other data to help optimize your campaign. If you're interested in a more in-depth video on Google Ads, I recommend checking out other videos on my channel. While today's video provides an overview of various tools available, there is a lot more to discover about the platform. As most people advertise in Google Ads, it's worth exploring the platform's numerous features and capabilities. So be sure to watch this video and delve deeper into this powerful advertising tool. There are many other videos available that complement this one on digital marketing tools. Watching these videos will provide you with a more comprehensive understanding of everything that's available on Google Ads. If you have any preferred tools or features on the search or display network, feel free to share them in the comment section below this video. I am always eager to hear about the tools, reports, and features that are most valuable to you on Google Ads. Let's now switch our focus to Facebook Ads Manager and examine how the platform appears when running ads on Facebook. We will explore the various tools and reports accessible on the platform. Within the Facebook Ads Manager, we can observe our campaigns, ad sets, and ads. Similar to Google Ads, Facebook Ads Manager has a more streamlined side navigation that allows us to easily navigate to specific sections. If we want to view ad sets, for instance, we can simply click on ad sets and the relevant information for this account will be displayed. From here, we can view 2 live ad sets. By selecting one of these ad sets, we can view the specific ad that is running and its performance metrics. We can view various performance metrics for the ad, such as the number of clicks, reach, and impressions, just like in Google Ads. Impressions indicate the number of times the ad has been displayed to people. We can also see cost per click, which in this example is $1. If the ad is not performing as expected, we can modify it by examining the ad performance and making changes accordingly. By clicking on more tools and then selecting creatives, we can view all of the creatives that are currently running for the selected campaign. We can also view the performance metrics for each creative. Facebook Ads Manager also provides various reporting reports. If we click on the Reports drop-down menu, we can access standard reports such as ad set, age, and gender. Additionally, we can see all available reports listed by placement, device, time of day, country, and more. By selecting the age and gender report, we can view a breakdown of the ad performance by age and gender. By selecting the age and gender option, I am currently viewing data for all campaigns. I can choose to remove any of these filters and analyze data for a specific time period. This will allow me to identify my target audience, such as females aged 30 to 40, and view metrics like reach and impressions to determine how frequently they are viewing my ads. This is crucial on Facebook, as if someone has seen the ad multiple times, they might ignore it. This is why the frequency metric is important on Facebook, as we can decide to turn off the ad for a particular age and gender group if necessary. Additionally, we can see how much we've spent. There are some examples of the reporting features available in Facebook Ads Manager. One of the features that make Facebook Ads Manager a great reporting tool is its flexibility. With this platform, I have the option to group or ungroup my dimensions according to my preferences. I can also customize the view and arrange columns in a way that suits my needs. This level of control allows me to easily analyze the data and make informed decisions about my campaigns. Additionally, the interface of Facebook Ads Manager is very similar to Google Ads reporting, which makes the transition between the two platforms very easy for users. All these factors contribute to making Facebook Ads Manager a powerful tool for tracking and optimizing advertising campaigns. One of the major advantages of Facebook reporting in Ads Manager is the flexibility it offers. As an advertiser, I can easily group or ungroup my dimensions, change the view and arrange columns, and get rid of irrelevant columns, just like in Google Ads reporting. This gives me the ability to customize my reporting and review the metrics that are most relevant to my goals. With the various metrics available, I can easily choose and prioritize which metrics I want to see to evaluate my campaign's performance. In essence, the flexibility of reporting allows me to gain a deeper understanding of how my campaigns are performing and make data-driven decisions to optimize their performance. In this section, I can customize my view and select various options such as the campaign, ad set and objective, demographics, and etc. This gives me a lot of control and flexibility in terms of how I want to review the performance of my campaigns, ad set, and ads. With these options available to me, I can drill down into specific metrics and data points that are important to me and make informed decisions based on that information. Facebook Ads Manager allows me to view my data in a way that suits my needs and preferences, giving me the ability to adjust and optimize my campaigns accordingly. It's important to keep in mind that on Facebook Ads Manager, you have the ability to make changes to your campaigns and ad sets at any time. In the ad set, you'll make important decisions like how to drive traffic and what your budget is, as well as selecting your target audience. By editing your campaign or ad set, you can fine-tune your approach to achieve the desired results. You will then have a lot of control over your Facebook ad campaigns. When you're creating a campaign, you'll have the option to choose what type of campaign it is and then select the audience you want to target. This includes choosing the location, age range, and gender of the audience you want to focus on. Once you've selected your audience, you'll move on to creating your ad set. The ad set is where you'll make a lot of important decisions, such as how you want to drive traffic, what your budget is, and how you want your ads to be delivered. It's important to choose the right campaign and ad set for your goals and continually monitor and adjust them as needed. With Facebook Ads Manager, You have the tools to make these changes and optimize your campaigns for better performance. If you want to learn more about the various features and tools of Facebook Ads Manager, you can check out my other videos on the subject. You can also find a video on my channel specifically about Facebook advertising tips and strategies, which can give you a comprehensive understanding of everything related to Facebook ads and how to utilize the Ads Manager platform to your advantage. And that ends a part of our discussion about digital marketing. I hope you learned something from today's video. If you like it, please subscribe and click the like button. Also, turn on the notification bell to be notified of future videos like this. Have a great day ahead and stay tuned for part 20.